Hey everyone, we had a great time at PMTS 2025 in Cleveland, Ohio. What did you think, Henry? Was it a great show?
Man, I had a great time at my first ever trade show. We got to showcase ESPRIT to some neat people, just make some custom coasters, and yeah, had just an awesome time at PMTS 2025. Come see us next time, look us up. Looking forward to talking with you.
Come check us out at pmtechnologies.com and follow us for more. Keep watching the video.